Story. Every company has one. Creative Cloud enables employees to tell that story easily and effectively with beautiful designs using Adobe Spark. The new premium features ensures your story stays on brand. Setup is easy. Incorporate your logo and brand colors and let Adobe Spark do the rest. Adobe Spark generates 20 brand templates for Spark Post, 6 brand themes for Spark Page and Spark Video, and a variety of surfaces such as titles, headers, and footers, all of which can be further customized to your satisfaction. You can quickly choose from these newly branded elements when creating social posts, web stories, and animated presentations. Share amazing branded stories with Adobe Spark Premium included with Creative Cloud.